Just look at the body lines and the way the roof slopes and flows down to the trunk and rear bumper. You don't see many of these 1968 Pontiac Executives these days, but this is a great example and a definite eye catcher. It has a 400 cubic inch V8, 3-speed TH400 automatic transmission, as well as recent bodywork, new paint, interior, and suspension, as well as a power front disc brake conversion. It has a 10-bolt rear end with 273 gears. This 19-foot cruiser is definitely one you need to check out. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.